Hello dear viewers, today we have tour of modern 20 feet tiny home from Forever Tiny Homes. This home features an optional 4-level smooth wall, creating a unique texture and feel. The exterior boasts beveled edge cement board siding painted in light gray, as well as a cement board and batten siding accent wall painted in sleek matte black. Contemporary front door lighting adds the perfect finishing touch. Pay attention to the prospect of this house. This high-quality PERGO OUTLAST flooring option provides both beauty and functionality, making it perfect for any space. With 6 tempered windows in total, you'll enjoy ample natural light and a beautiful view of the outdoors. The 24x24 upgraded pantry is a standout feature, featuring soft close technology and a modern light gray finish. Full kitchen equipped. The large single basin kitchen stainless steel sink is both functional and stylish, providing ample space for all your kitchen needs. Plus, with the included 3 kitchen sink accessories, you'll have everything you need for easy meal prep and cleanup. The modern single-pole faucet is sleek and elegant, providing both style and convenience. Never struggle with tripping a breaker again with the dedicated 20-amp circuit for your microwave, conveniently located above the fridge. Speaking of the fridge, the 10.1 QUARTZ fridge provides plenty of storage space for all your groceries, while the top freezer is perfect for keeping frozen items within easy reach. Last but not least, the dual induction burner is a versatile cooking solution that allows you to cook your favorite meals quickly and easily. This compact yet functional bathroom features everything you need for a comfortable and stylish experience. With a size of 3, it's efficient and space-saving. The all-electric 50-amp system provides reliable and powerful energy to power your bathroom appliances. The bathroom vanity in white adds a touch of elegance to the space, providing ample storage for all your toiletries and bathroom essentials. The upgraded bath faucet in brushed nickel is a standout feature, adding a touch of sophistication and luxury to your daily routine. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.